If you have some leftovers in your garage, they can be used for a good purpose if you know how to use them. This right here is a steel rod that is just a leftover part from one big desk that my company just decided to throw away, and I decided to leave it, like maybe I'm gonna use it someday, and guess what, I'm gonna use it right now. This is going to be the main part of my light. I'm gonna stick it into something, into some kind of stand, and I will install LED light right here on this surface, point it to the wall, and we will have a perfect light. Now when it comes to the stand, I will just try to use some of these wood pieces that I have laying around right here, but this one I'm already using for something. Let me check right here behind this one. Yeah, I have these two small pieces right here, this one and this one. These two small pieces are going to be perfect. Now, because this lamp is going to be behind the desk, I'm not very interested in cosmetics. I'm just gonna put these two pieces on top of each other, and I'm just gonna glue them together. And right here in the middle, I'm just gonna make one hole where I can fit in this rod. Let's try to mark it as good as possible. Now, this is one trick that I use when I have these very thick boards. Okay. As you can see, I have already marked where to drill, because it will be easier to start drilling if I have a start point already. You will see just how easy it is to connect these holes. I think this is beautiful. Let's try it now. Nice! It fits! Perfect! I have used just one piece of wood, and it's this smaller piece of wood. But once I have done this, I've come to a little problem. Let's say it like that. If you center it and if you are careful around it, then it's standing. But if you accidentally touch it, it's like going away somewhere. So I was thinking about using this second part to make this everything a little bit stronger, but that will not be the case. I will use this big part, and this big part will be much more stable on the floor, and this rod won't tilt anywhere. It will stay fixed like this, and this is what we want. Beautiful! Let's test it. Nice! Perfect! Okay, so we have these two pieces. We will put our rod into the first one and then put it into the second one. It stands firmly on the ground right there, and you cannot tilt it easily on either side. Once we connect these two pieces together, we will also make sure to put some glue right here between the rod and between this wood, just to make sure that everything is fixed in place. We will pre-drill a hole for screws, because obviously it's always easier if you pre-drill a hole. Make sure they are tight. Excellent. Now the only thing that is left to do is to buy this simple $15 LED strip. I got some of them linked in the description below if you are interested. But this LED strip, let me show you right here. This is very easy to glue for this steel rod right here, because it has adhesive tape on the back side already, and I have already done it. LED strip is already glued right here, and it goes all the way down to the bottom of this steel rod. Now we have turned it on and it looks great, but let's see how does it look when we turn the main light off. Nice! I think this looks beautiful. Now you can play with the angle of this light. You can turn it around more to the wall or more here to the drape, however you like it. But as you can see, this stands firmly in its place, and it is a little bit wobbly, but we can fix that later if we want to. We have used just a little bit of spare parts and a $15 LED light, and we made some magic. Beautiful, right? Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.